Hi, this is 125 Oakwood Drive in Avon Lake. This customer just built the house and is looking to have a new lawn installed. I think the property is right where those excuse me, wood posts are. We've got quite a bit of debris, so I'm still going to bring in the Mini with the Harley, clean out all the stones. We'll regrade this so there isn't just a severe slope into the neighbor's yard. We'll need to spray this off 2 weeks before we come in, kill off all the weeds. We'll grade this better away, but we'll smooth out the backyard. We'll need to get this out, clean up everything before we start, and then I'm gonna ask what she wants to do with this lumber contraption here, because I'm assuming this is probably not what she wants to keep. Maybe we'll put in some type of like metal edging. Those rocks are pretty high. I'll come up with some sort of edging for here to hold this rock in so it looks nicer. This is just a weird setup. Yeah, this is just, this is a whole lot higher of a grade than the rest of the neighborhood, but, yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it.